Hi, my name is Robert Steltman, and the first thing I'm going to show you is how you can create a profile from a 3D polyline. I've already created an alignment from this green polyline, and now I'm going to create a profile file from it. So we go under Road, Profile Tools, 3D Poly Profile. We select the 3D polyline, and it creates a file called left-right-oap.txt. We go into Profiles, Existing Ground, Sample from File. We select the file, and it imports it. We give it a name of OG. We overwrite it, and we can actually view that file, existing ground, edit vertical alignment. It gives us the elevations along that 3D polyline, and then we can finally plot it up. OK, select it, yes, and we zoom out, and there's our profile. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some tangents. So we go to Profile Tools, Draw Tangents. We select our endpoint, and it comes back, gives us the elevation. Now as we move our cursor around, it displays the station, elevation, and grade as our tangent to that point. We select the point. Now we can fill in our exact values and our exact grade, maybe. We pick our next point, and if we have an alignment that intersects that, we can select that alignment. It comes back, gives us a listing of all the critical stations that we had on that alignment. We select any one of them. If there's a design profile, it'll come back, give us the elevation of that profile on that station. We will match at that elevation, and we can continue on. O-snap to the end of the profile, and it's done. There's also a routine to take your alignment control points and putting them onto your profile. There's also a routine to put your flags in profile. It puts BVC, the EVC, the low point, the high point. It also labels the grade. It will also put in your information in plan. You can do your, it'll put flags on, it'll do your horizontal control, label the grade, and it will put elevations every 20 units. We can also place an offset original ground profile onto our proposed profile. So we're going to take our Road 2 profile, and we're going to superimpose it onto the Road 1. There, it's placed there. We can also take points in plan and place them on our profile, points to profile. We have an option, we'll put a descriptor on. We just select a point and put our descriptor on. It adds that. Select another point, maybe it's a water valve. Add a fourth point, third point, maybe it's a intersection. Return to end, we'll zoom in, and it places a block with this elevation, the station, and the descriptor. Also a routine to import your profile as a 3D polyline in plan view. You put your distance between your points, and it brings in a 3D polyline that has your design vertical information superimposed every 1 unit.